Good afternoon, dear learners and viewers of TV Eskwela DepEd Davao de Oro, especially to our grade 6 pupils. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. We are so happy to be with you as we all learn, explore, and enjoy on this TV program. This is your School on Air in Science Grade 6. I am your teacher on air for today's session, Teacher Jumar Teves from Compostela Central Elementary School, SPED Center. I hope that you are all now on your comfortable places and eager to learn our first lesson of the school year in science. I hope you feel great. Just sit back, relax, and watch our 45-minute lesson in Science 6. Are you now ready for our new lesson this afternoon? That's great! But before that, we will have to open first your module on page 2 for the exercises What I Know. This activity aims to check what you already know about the lesson to take. Kindly use the separate sheet of paper for your answer. This time, let us check your answer and find out how far you know about mixtures. Excellent! You are all great. But, as I mentioned earlier, that this activity aims to check what you already know about our lesson for today. We must explore and learn more about mixtures. This time, let us go back to our module and open it on page 4, Lesson 1, Describing Mixtures. What do you usually buy during the recess time? Can you still remember them? Have you also tried eating delicious delicacies like prito saging, puto, binignit, suman, and bibingka? Yes, of course! They are all our favorite Filipino foods. But have you ever thought of how these foods were prepared in such a way that various ingredients were mixed to make it delicious and healthy? Wow! How did they do that? Don't worry, because we are here to explain and help you understand the answers in all your questions. I want to share with you what I have discovered. When we combine several components or elements, they can produce a useful end product that can be utilized and consumed for our advantage. And this is what we call mixture. Now, we will go deeper into the world of mixture. Can you still remember your previous lesson about matter? Because this has something to do with our lesson this afternoon. And that is all about mixtures. What have you remembered about mixtures? Yes, mixtures are combination of two or more substances that can be homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous appear uniform all throughout because they have the same proportion. Examples of these are iron, alcohol, zone rocks, smoke, and wine. Meaning to say, the components of homogeneous mixtures are not visible and cannot be easily recognized. From the short information that you have learned about mixtures, let us open again our module and turn it to page 5. Let us answer the following exercises in What is it? Write your answer in your science notebook or journal. I understand that you are now finished answering the questions. Let us clap our hands for doing good. On the other hand, heterogeneous are not uniform in proportion where combined substances are not evenly spread or mixed. Examples are fruit salad, mixed nuts, water and oil, and halo-halo. This means that the composition of heterogeneous mixtures does not blend throughout. The individual substances or the components are recognizable, visible, and remain distinct. At this moment, let us open our module and turn it to page 6. As what I have said a while ago, there is a lot of exercises for you to answer. And so, by this time, kindly get your journal or science notebook and ballpen and let us answer the activity "What's More" on page 6. It's time to reveal the correct answers. Very good! Let us clap our hands again for doing well. And to wrap up our significant learning for today, please open your module on page 7. What I have learned. Your task for this activity is to complete the paragraph by supplying the correct word or words in the blank. Do it in your science notebook. I will give you 10 seconds to answer. Are you done? Very good! Now, let us read the paragraph with the complete answer. Ready? Mixtures are the combination of two or more substances that can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Homogeneous mixtures are uniform mixtures, while heterogeneous mixtures are non-uniform mixtures. I hope that all of you have learned so much, especially with our lesson about describing mixtures. We have a lot of activities and exercises for this module, but we don't have enough time to do it. It is your task to continue answering the remaining parts and exercises in this module. You will begin on page 7. What I can do. You can write your answers in your science journal or notebook. Don't forget to read the directions before answering the following questions. Your next task is on pages 8 and 9 on your module. This part is your assessment. Answer the questions number 1 to 10. Use separate sheet of paper for your answer. Again, read the direction carefully before answering. Submit your answer to your teacher, advisor. And for your additional activities this week, turn your module on page 10. Complete the diagram about mixtures. Write your answers in your science journal. And if you are through, you can submit your work to your teacher advisor. Just wait for their further reminders as to when they will collect your module and answer sheets. If you encounter difficulties in answering this module, do not hesitate to consult your teacher. Always bear in mind that you are not alone. You will experience meaningful learning and deep understanding of the relevant competencies and lessons. You can do it! I am looking forward for our next episode on Science 6, School in the Air program. Till next time, this is your teacher Jumar Teves saying, dito sa TV Eskwela, sa pag-aaral, sama-sama. Bye-bye!